again, Marmita, and my vlog for today is all about the scientific nature and origin of coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. And for the information of everybody, this vlog is for educational purposes only. The subject, building and enhancing literacies across the curriculum. No matter where you go online these days, there's bound to be discussions of coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. Some folks are even making outrageous claim that the new coronavirus causing the pandemic was engineered in a lab and deliberately released to people sick. A new study debunks such claims by providing scientific evidence that this novel coronavirus arose naturally. The novel SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus that emerged in the city of Wuhan, China in December 2019 and has since caused the COVID-19 pandemic, spreading to 170 countries and regions, is the product of natural evolution. According to the findings published by scientific from the United States, United Kingdom, and Austria in Nature Medicine. The analysis of public genome sequence data from SARS-CoV-2 and related viruses found no evidence that the virus was made in the laboratory or otherwise engineered. The researchers began by homing in the parts of the coronavirus genomes that encode the spike protein that gives this family of viruses their distinctive crown-like appearance. All coronaviruses rely on the spike proteins to infect other cells, but over time, each coronavirus has fashioned these proteins alike differently, and the evolutionary clause about these modifications and spilled out in their genomes. So what is the natural origin of novel coronavirus responsible for COVID-19 pandemic? The researchers don't yet have a precise answer, but they do offer two possible scenarios. In the first scenario, as the new coronavirus evolved in its natural host, possibly bats or pangolins, its spike protein mutated to bind to molecules similar in structure to the human ACE protein, thereby enabling it to infect human cells. This scenario seems to fit other recent outbreaks of coronavirus-caused disease in humans, such as SARS, which arose from a cat-like civet, and Middle East Respiratory Syndrome MERS, which arose from camels. The second scenario is that the new coronavirus crossed from animals into human before it became capable of causing human disease. Then, as a result of gradual evolutionary changes over years or perhaps decades, the virus eventually gained the ability to spread from human to human and cause serious, often life-threatening disease. Either way, this study leaves little room to refute a natural origin for COVID-19. And that's a good thing because it's helped us keep focused on what really matters. Observing good hygiene, practicing social distancing, and supporting the effort of all dedicated healthcare professionals and researchers who are working so hard to address this major public health challenge. Vlog and I just want to say this. Sa hinaharap ng buong mundo ngayon, huwag po tayong mawawala ng pag-asa at patuloy po tayong manalig sa ating Panginoon. At sa lahat po ng mga frontliner natin na walang sawang nagsiservisyo para sa atin, maraming salamat po. At sana po hindi na tumaas pa ang bilang ng mga taong magkakasakit. At sa ngayon, pairalin po natin ang pagmamahalan, pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan.